Hi y'all, welcome to the Messy Studio. Billy here with another quick tip. See these containers? Number of things come in them. Dishwashing pods, laundry soap, you name it. These are really handy. I mean really handy. I use them for a number of things. One of the things I use them for, you see this one right here that I've got wired to my lathe stand. I keep my tools for this lathe and the Delta in them, like my drill chuck, pin bushings, chuck key, things of that nature. Small stuff that I don't want to get lost. Another thing I use them for is to collect the fine sawdust that falls from my drum sander. I like fine sawdust as opposed to shavings for filling voids when I need to use it. And I've got several of these for different types of wood, whatever I've been running through the... I think this one is mostly mesquite. I've got another one that's got walnut in it. I've got another one that's got maple in it. So if I need that same color of wood to fill a void or something, or if I need a contrasting wood to fill a void or something, I find one of these with the fine dust in it and mix it with epoxy. Now I don't just get the dust that falls from the drum sander. Most of what gets picked up by my dust collection system is sanding dust. And so when I get ready to empty the bag, if I've got layers of stuff in there from what I've been working on, then I'll put some of it in here, dig through that layer, get some of the lighter stuff, dig through that layer, get some of the walnut, etc. Just a tip. It helps me. I hope it helps you. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Come back and see us.